All right, so now I have it saved. It's done. It's ready. It's good. We'll talk more about printing it out with some dimensions on it to make sure that everything is correct. But once I have this all set, what I need to do is start to get this ready to bring it into CorelDRAW. And CorelDRAW is where I'm going to add my text, my name that's going to be cut out, or whatever, word or name or whatever you're going to put in there. And that's also where we're going to get it ready so that we can print on the laser for it. So what I'm going to do is go back up to the Save As, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Save As button. I want to go to my H drive. All right, so all I do is I click on this little drop down and I select my H drive. Now my H drive has my employee ID. It will have your student ID. So it'll have your S number, your S, and then whatever that number is. All right, I have some folders here, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save it. All right, so save it. I'm just going to name it Fonty name plate. I like to put the period number and the number. So I put P0, whatever period you're in, P1, 2, 3, 4, however that works. Before I go ahead and click save, I want to save this as a DXF file. So I want to click on this drop down and I want to go down to AutoCAD 2000/LT 2000 DXF. And I want to click on that. All right, and then I go ahead and I click save. Okay, so once I have that saved as a DXF, I then want to go ahead and open up CorelDRAW. Now you will sometimes get some I'm just going to close CorelDRAW real quick because you will sometimes get some pop-ups. So to open up CorelDRAW, I go to the window function. I have CorelDRAW in most used. It will also be under C, CorelDRAW. Drop down CorelDRAW to 2017. So I click on that. If it's the first time you're opening it, it will ask you to. The first thing it will ask you is the user conditions. So there'll be a little checkbox. And you just want to check that off and hit accept or continue. I don't remember what it says. But then you'll get this pop up. And this will pop up just about every time. We do not have to set up an account. So we're just going to go ahead and click skip. And then it's going to open up CorelDRAW. All right. So now that I have CorelDRAW open, it will sometimes pull up like a tutorial window, or like it says for tutorial videos. You could just go ahead and close that. Click on new document and it will pull this up. So again, I'm going to name this Fonty name plate P0. All right, so the dimensions that we want are going to be 15.875 for the width, and the height is going to be 11.875. All right, we'll make sure it says inches, and then go ahead and click OK. So this will pull up your, so this is the size of the material that we're going to be cutting it out of. So now we want to bring in those, all the stuff that we designed in AutoCAD. So to do that, we're going to go to File, Import. All right, I need to go and I need to find that nameplate DXF that I saved. So again, I saved it in my H drive. So I'm going to scroll through here. So this is it right here. All right, Fonty nameplate. It has the period number. Sometimes it's easy to just click on and sort it by date modified, and it will pull up your newest files up to the top. So you can see it right here. Here it's Fonte nameplate DXF is how it's saved. I want to click on that and go ahead and click import. It will open up this box. Automatic is fine. Scaling is 1:1. You want to make sure that you have that. And then you go ahead and click OK. It will pull up this little, I don't even know what this is, what this little icon is, but I just want to drop it right in this corner. All right. So it's going to go ahead and it's going to drop that in. All right. So now I've got all my lines here. I have my dimensions. I have everything like that in here. So there's a couple things we need to do from here, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our text in. All right. Again, from here, there is a couple things that we need to do, and I'll go over that in the next video. But for right now, just you want to make sure that you save this. So same thing, file, save as. Make sure you save it to your H drive. It's over here on the side. All right, Fonte nameplate. Go ahead, click save. All right.